Welcome to Knowledge for Everyone. Today we are installing irrigation system on the green. So first of all we have dug a trench. You can see it's almost 10 inch deep and 8 inch wide. It's going all the way, and we have at some positions where we have the tee-off connection. This flag is for the tee-off connection, the sprinkler point. So we have dug an extra area. So let me show you the pipeline. This is 1.5 inch dia pipe which will be linked, but the sprinkler will be on 2 inch dia. So we have a T of 2 inch dia, then we have a reducing bush in it, 2 by 1 inch, and 1 inch piece, 1 inch female adapter, and then we have the swing joint assembly. The good thing with the swing joint assembly is that you can create any angle on it. So you can see it. You can go up and down and there will be no problem in it. Okay, and the third thing is that, let me show you, this is Acme thread, American, right? And here this is, and this side is British. Okay, so one side is British, one side is Acme. And let me show you, any angle you can create with it, but let me show you that what is it inside. So you can see that inside the thread, this simple thread, and there on the thread we have the O-rings. This is called O-ring and this is called O-ring. So these are actually work as a sealant. So this is actually a seal, that if your elbow is, let's suppose this is my elbow and it's not properly tight, if it's not properly tight, then no problem, there will be no leakage of water from it. If it is tight, that's very good, but it's not tight, then no problem. Okay, and these are the caps. So when we do installation, then we will remove this cap later on and we will put the sprinkler, but this is for the protection of the pipe to be not plugged off with sand or soil particle, etc. So then we have a continuous pipe of 2 inch dia, and I put these pipes in so that they can be settled, they can be dried, and because if you can see the ground, it's rotating all the way, so that rotation I will create with that pipe. So as soon as we finish the trenching, then we will start piping. So here now we have started installation of pipes. So we have laid the pipe and we have risers here. So there was a tee-off connection from 2 inch dia, which now onward we have reduced to 1.5 inch dia, and now we have a riser here. Now we further go in 2 inch dia in this way, and we will connect these pipes with it. This 2 inch dia pipe, it's very flexible. You can go with it in any curve.
चुक पिछो चुक छड़ दे थले देखो ना चल बस ठीक बहुत लेंथ ਲਿਆ ਡੇਢ ਦਾ ਪੈਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਥੋੜਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਠੋਕ ਚੱਲ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖਲੋ ਅੱਛਾ ਲਿਆ ਉਧਰ ਚਲਾ इधर करना इतने ऐसा नाप के रखना इतने ऐसा नाप के रखना ठीक है चल ठोक ठोक दे चा बस रख दे चल नहीं नहीं वो बेच नहीं हाँ ठीक है ले डेढ़ दे लेंथ लिया डेढ़ दी फड़ा लेंथ उधर कलर में हैगी है उधर उधर कलर वाली साड़ी है बहुत इधर या मोशन की तरह ओ हो निकल क्या करे ओ हुन चलो शाम ठोक बस चल इनु सुकन दे
So majority of work is complete. We have to fill the trench with the sand and just secure the trench from falling and to secure the pipe. So here we have the ball wall first from the main line, then we have the auto wall is installed in the way it is shown here, so the flow direction in this way. So we have auto wall, this is solenoid wall, and here you can see we have one decoder FT102 and we have one line surge arrestor. So there is any surges in voltage that will arrest, and here we have a earthing rod which is going almost 10 feet deep in the soil. So the line is coming from this direction, then we have a wall, this is 2-inch dia, so there we again enlarge into 3-inch dia, and this is going towards our green, and from the green we have to the right we have one line going in this way and one is going in the front.